How to cure sleep apnea naturally at home without CPAP. Hello viewers. Sleep apnea is a potentially dangerous sleep disorder in which breathing regularly stops and starts. The sleep apnea refers to a breathing pause that at least 10 seconds. If you breathe loudly and feel tired even after a full night's sleep, you might have a sleep apnea. Are you suffering from sleep apnea and experiencing the following problems? Number 1. What causes sleep apnea? Number 2. What are the signs of sleep apnea? Number 3. What negative effects can sleep apnea cause? Number 4. How is sleep apnea treated? Well, consider all the problems above, we brought good news for you. We have come up with an ebook that will help you solve the problem you mentioned. We do hope that after watching this video, you can buy the best sleep apnea ebook easily. So, keep watching the video until the end for more information. Snoring and sleep apnea no more. Snoring and sleep apnea no more is a natural treatment plan to cure snoring and sleep apnea step by step. It shows the elements and exercises that work to avoid the real causes of these sleep disorders. It has been proven to work by scientific studies and testimonials from the people who suffered from the same problem. Let's see how the snoring and sleep apnea no more works. It has an all-natural treatment plan. Showing you an easy to follow all-natural treatment plan proven to combat snoring and sleep apnea. Have natural remedies which stop to your snoring fast. Since the treatment is natural, you will be safe from the other treatments. Has simple steps you can take to stop snoring altogether. The exercises program take no more than 3 minutes a day. This program is going to help you have more peaceful nights with continuous sleep. Here are some incredible bonuses with the snoring and sleep apnea no more. Number 1. Sleeping Sanctuary. Number 2. Stress-free for life. Number 3. Food, allergies and sleep apnea. This treatment cure helps your sleep apnea through natural remedies. This ebook also teaches you on the 7 vital signs of sleep apnea that you should watch out before it gets more harmful. So that's why we brought this ebook for your comfort. If you are interested in checking the price and purchasing this ebook, the link is available in the description box below. If you have any query regarding the ebook, feel free to share your thoughts through making comments. Thanks for watching.